Turn files into data in CRM. Get data from scanned paper contracts in CRM with no manual effort. You will need to follow 3 steps. Firstly, upload scanned contracts. Then, let AI process the data. After that, view the data you need in CRM. Now, let's see how it works. Step 1. Upload all your scanned contracts, even poor quality documents, with handwritten signatures fields, or watermarked PDFs. Then, use the pre-tested prompt to instruct the AI solution to process scanned documents and extract the relevant data. And finally, instantly find the data in your CRM or other database. Boost productivity even further by connecting it to the Talk with My Knowledge Base feature. Turn files into data in CRM to extract data from thousands of scanned contracts quickly and accurately. Reduce manual work to 0, saving time and ensuring data consistency. Stay compliant, keep all contract data properly recorded and easily auditable. Save hours, act faster, no more. Exacaster AI Solutions.